Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. So today we have the approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This lovely vehicle is a 72 plate pre-registered and comes with only delivery miles on the vehicle. It's finished in a very special two-tone colour combination. The upper half is finished in the lovely solid paint colour CandyWhite, and down below we have the lovely metallic paint colour copper bronze. The vehicle itself is fitted with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine and comes equipped with a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox for a more relaxing and comforting drive. Along with the handsome two-tone colour combination, there's also some chrome striping across the front of the radiator grille and down below next to the fog lamps. The vehicle does come with LED headlamps with separate LED daytime driving lights, and the vehicle sits on the very stylish 17-inch Woodstock black diamond turn surface alloy wheels. Up top is the electronically operated pop-up roof, and the vehicle also comes with a black roll-out awning, perfect for all your camping needs. Towards the rear of the vehicle, helping you navigate, is a rear view camera, along with the rear parking sensors dotted along in that handsome rear bumper. In the boot space of this lovely approved used California boasts a sizable storage compartment. The rear seats do also fold down, allowing for sleeping below, and once operated, the pop-up roof allows for another sleeping position upstairs along with 3 windows. Down below in the camping position, the rear bench provides a comfortable seating experience, along with a pop-out folding table, provides an excellent camper all around. This vehicle does also come with a fridge or cool box, along with a 2-hob cooker, as well as a sink with a foldable tap, making this the ultimate camping vehicle. The style and functionality doesn't finish there. Up in the driver's seat, the driver is greeted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, along with a very stylish and tech-savvy digital cockpit system. This allows the driver to have a more hands-on driver experience while allowing them to completely customize their viewing. The driver also has controls at their disposal, such as navigating through a few different menus with the view button, as well as operating some of the audio controls, such as increasing and decreasing the volume, as well as changing radio stations or tracks. The vehicle comes with a vast arrangement of driving assist features, including adaptive cruise control, where the driver can first select their desired speed, as well as increase the distance between the vehicle in front. This lovely vehicle also comes with the navigation system Discover Media Pro, including an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with inbuilt navigation and the 3D map software. The vehicle itself also features App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favourite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. The vehicle also features a start-stop as well as a parking sensor toggle button, and features some interesting climate controls such as a front heated windscreen. Once reverse gear has been selected, that rear view camera feed will display on the colour touchscreen infotainment system, and throughout the rest of the cab is comfortable seating as well as some 12-volt outlets. Up top is the navigational screen to operate the pop-up roof and a few different features. This vehicle comes with a minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.